Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Hanson here. Now we are going to work on a little bit of math. You can see I have Chloe here to help. Um, so you guys are going to need your My Math book, and you guys are going to need a pencil. And we are going to do our review. So what papers you guys are going to need out of your book? Page 609, 610, 611, 612. And then we're going to do the same thing like we did last time. We're going to do this performance task, part A, B, C, and D, which is 612, the front and the back. So you guys will need 3 papers total. So if you guys need to pause it and get those, you can. So we're going to start out with the front page, 609. At the top, it says my review. So remember, I want to see what you guys know, if you guys have been learning what Mrs. Hanson's been teaching all week long. So we have some monkeys in the tree, and we have some of our vocabulary words. So I want you to listen, because I want to see if you guys know what these words mean. So you guys need your pencil, and it says, draw another flying bird above the trees. So I need you to draw a bird above the trees. I smile great big because I know you're like, I can't draw a bird. Just do your best. You just have a little bit of wings and a body. That's okay. All right, so you're going to draw your bird, another bird above the trees. Number 2, circle the animal that is behind the tree. So I want you to circle the animal that is behind the tree. Number 3, draw a coconut. So you can just draw a circle. Draw a circle or coconut beside a monkey. So it needs to be beside a monkey. So remember what beside means. Okay, next one. Draw a monkey. Oh my goodness, now we're getting really crazy, huh? Draw a monkey next to one of the lion cubs. Down here, draw a monkey next to one of the lion cubs. Okay, ready? Circle the monkey below the branch. And then our last one. Draw on an X on the lion in front of the tree. Okay, you guys got it? That's a lot of steps, isn't it? All right, so now we're going to turn it around. And we're going to do number 1 up here with the bubbles. Draw an X on the bubble that is above or over the bottle. So draw an X on the bubble that is above or above or over the bottle. Okay, next one, number 2 with the flowers. Draw a box around the flower that is below or under the green flower. So a box around the flower that is below or under the green flower. All right, guys, ready? Number 3, draw a crayon next to the box. So your crayon can literally just be like a little long rectangle, your tall rectangle if you want to. Or you can draw a crayon if you want to try it. All right, then number 4 over here. Draw a dog bone beside the bowl. The next, or wherever next to the bowl, or whatever it says, beside the bowl. Mrs. Hanson might have almost gave you a hint, but beside it, you're gonna draw a bone. So our next one, we have the park. Okay, circle the object above the dog. So here's our dog. So circle the object that is above the dog. Draw an X on the animal that is next to the black cat. So find your black cat. Draw an X on the animal that is next to the black cat. Draw a bird below the sun. And underline the object that is on the blanket next to the girl with the red book. So there's the girl with the little book. So you're going to underline the object that is on the blanket next to her. We have lots of directions, huh? You guys are doing really good with this. I've been seeing your guys' work, and you guys have been doing awesome. So now we're going to turn around to the back. And we've already seen this picture. This is the same one from one of our papers before. So let's see if it's the same thing. It's not. Kinda. All right. So this side, 612, we have our bears and everything. Draw an X on the butterfly that is above the flower pot. Draw a box around the animal that is in front of the baby bear. Draw a circle around the bees that are below the beehive. And then circle the window that is beside the door. You guys got all that? All right. And now we're going to move on to our performance task paper. So, okay. Some animals are pets. Some animals are helpers. And some live in the forest and jungles. And this is show all your work. So make sure you listen to all of Mrs. Hanson's directions. All right, so part A, this first box right here. I realize there's like a glare from that light. How many animals are above the bed? Circle them, then write the number. So there's two directions. You're going to circle the animals and then write that number of how many there are on this line right here. Part B, draw an X on the plant that is next to the deer. So the deer right here, draw an X on the plant that is next to it. Okay, so we're going to turn it around. Part C, how many objects are in front of the squirrel? Circle them, then write the number. So here's our little squirrel. How many objects are in front of him? You're going to circle those objects and then write that number on this line right here. And then our very last part, part D. Draw a box around the animal that is next to the giraffe. Draw a box around the animal that is next to the giraffe. And then draw an X on the animal that is beside the plant. So we're going to have a box around the animal that's next to the giraffe and an X on the animal that is beside the plant. Okay, we got it? That's a lot to do. So, that's all we got to do, and we are all done with our chapter talking about different positions, and we're going to start talking about shapes. And I'm so excited because I love talking about shapes. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye, guys.